5 small mounds in circles bright, tiny hands that shape the day, learning life through simple play. Every hill a dream begun, touched by moon and kissed by sun, building worlds that shift and fade, treasures in the games they've made, footprints dancing where they roam, lessons found in sand and stone, curious hearts that wander free, opening doors to what they'll be. Through the moment's soft embrace, they discover time and space, finding meaning as they grow in the tides that come and go, playful steps that shape the mind, gifts of wonder left behind, every grain beneath their feet whispers truths both